It's now 5 o'clock in the morning. I've done my hour of prayer, and now I'm going to wake up the girls. They're downstairs. They usually come up one at a time, to wash up and get ready. Girls, it's time to get up. You up? All right. They'll be coming up now. I'm gonna start getting some breakfast together. I try to give them, eggs and bacon and stuff like that. They don't like that, so healthier, like yogurt and granola, and with fresh berries and stuff like that, and tea if they'll drink it. I think only one of them drinks tea. And I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because I'm waking the two girls. And I have my son who's younger. He doesn't get up until another hour. I'm just gonna take you in the kitchen and show you what I do. So in the morning, I like to give them some yogurt and granola. So I've already prepped my stuff. I've learned just to prep everything at nighttime and start, ease of movement here. This is some granola, some honey and oats. So you got prep for them. So all I gotta do is come in here and eat some. This is the most important thing in the morning. You've been asleep all night and you want to break the fast that you had, and so I try to find stuff that they'll at least eat something, so they won't go to school hungry. So I've got some fresh berries. I'm gonna just put some of those on there. Take some granola. Slices of peaches. I think they'll like that. All right. I'm just going to put their breakfast on the table, so after they've done bathe, they can go ahead and eat. Okay, so as I wait on the girls, got my cup of tea ready. I got my Bible. So normally Tiffany will be up, but the baby, because of the baby, she stays up late sometimes. So I usually run the morning part until it's time for me to work. And then Tiffany, she does the night thing. So that's why you don't see her in the video. But it's okay. As a couple, you work with what is good for you, what will make everything flow. And since I'm a morning guy anyway, I get up early in the morning. I'm more acclimated to get up and do things towards the morning part. Tiffany usually wakes up about between 8 and 8:30. Her and the baby, and then the baby, get ready, and then up until 9 o'clock, we're doing stuff. I'm cooking or either making breakfast with my wife and I, so we can sit down and have some fellowship. Start work about 9 o'clock in the morning. It helps them to see things better. God's favor, if a person endures the sorrow of suffering unjustly because of an awareness of the will of God. You see, God's will is for us to walk in love at all times. In spite of folks' races, attitudes, we still have to walk in love. And by doing that, God would actually intervene. He'll deal with them. If you decide to go toe-to-toe with them, per se, then God's not in that situation. You block them out and say, no, God, I can handle this. That's what you essentially say. Devotion is over. I'm going to go wake up my son. His time is coming up now. It's 6:30. So getting ready for school. The girls are doing the last minute prep so they can go leave out the door like at 6:45. So I'm going to go wake him up now. All right, Chef. Time to get up. You ready for school? You need to get up, son. You gonna do your morning prayer? Mm-hmm. All right. I love you. Hug your mom goodbye. Okay. So, waffle and granola, huh? How you like?
You said what?
You having waffle and You said strawberries and peaches?
Yeah. Just since now I got the waffles.
Yeah.
Don't be too much with the granola.
Yeah. Give them some fruit. Some strawberries and peaches. It's kind of keeping me warm, man. Do they bite? Are they friendly animals? Remind me, spend a little time with Elijah. We'll be watching cartoons. Sometimes I make fun of the cartoons. He's watching a particular cartoon where the people are like animals. You know, they're really animals in human clothes and stuff. And I was concerned about the safety of the real humans that's in there. I would be freaked out anyway if a tiger or owl or something started talking to me. What the? So anyway, we just spend a little time together. Sometimes I'm napping. He'd be over watching cartoons. I'm like, you know, with those imaginary bubbles coming out your nose. Hang out a little bit, enjoy these cartoons, these educational cartoons.
That's what they call it.
Yeah, I don't know what they teaching kids. That's what animals can talk and wear clothes. I see them do that with monkeys though. So we go to school, I'm gonna have to start fixing his lunch. I have a certain time where I fix his lunch. So, you know, sort of stay warm and stuff, because this is the winter time now.
Those like hand warmers, like you put them in your hand and then they're warm.
I know, but that's a chemical reaction. We're talking about food and stuff. So.
No, like put it under the plastic.
Oh, like I do the ice thing?
Yeah, you put it under the plastic thing, and then it'll kind of warm up the food.
Okay, I'll consider that. You know, they have lunch kits that are actually, as soon as it's hot. Ooh, camera?
Yeah.
All right. Put this in there. This is hotted through, or heated through.
Looks like it's in the middle of the day.
Huh?
The logic looks like it's in the middle of the day.
Oh. Got you some strawberries. There's your utensil. This is good to stay warm for at least 3 hours, 3.5 hours. My little cameraman. So I have your lunch. This is what I make them for lunch. Sometimes it gets a sandwich, sometimes other things. If I do a sandwich, I usually put a cold pack in there, but this is warm. It's the winter time. This will stay at least warm for 3 hours, packed in this, and we'll have it packed into. So here's his lunch. He's gonna have some water or some juice to take with him. Okay?
Okay.
So let's get ready to go. And pick out what snack you want.
Turned out pretty good.
Oh yeah. Oh, Dorito Man. I see. This vlogging thing is a little bit different for me. I like to just do things. But you know, I just don't get him in one bag of juice. Go with his water and his food probably. You have a difficult time with that?
No, I got it.
You go to school?
Yeah.
All right. I remember when I was going to school, but that's a long story. We'll get to that some other time. All right. Go down, put on your shoes. I'll be right there, okay? Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Happy? Most people laugh like that because they're happy. We don't want nobody to hear her deep voice, her morning voice. I'm sorry. She's got a real deep voice, man.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy.
Yeah. Got one of those sultry voices in the morning. Sultry is? It's deep. There's one song by Sade that reminds me of your mother. And you know what that is? This ain't no ordinary love, baby. In the back burner, I have some sweet potatoes mixed with some spinach. That's a typical routine morning for me, and I've come to the end of things, and now I'm going to sit here while Tiffany eats, and we'll chat a little bit, and then I'll start work, and she normally takes the baby about 3 to 4 hours to get through my work schedule. That's about it. So I appreciate you guys sitting in and watching my morning routine. I apologize ahead of time. Hope I didn't bore you guys with my inexperience with vlogging. It takes some getting used to for me. I'm okay in front of a camera, but when you're vlogging and stuff, I kind of get nervous and all kind of stuff. So I appreciate you sitting in with us. And until next time, remember to walk in love, stay in love, stay connected to God. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and subscribe so you'll know when we post another video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Drinking cold coffee.